Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to Just Cook DC Friday Night Cocktails. We are gonna make a noreaster. Noreaster. Alright. Glass of ice. Lime juice. I like using fresh ingredients whenever I get a chance to. Just go ahead and squeeze those guys in there. Alright, do it. Toss that in the sink. Good bourbon. Don't skip with the bourbon. Get a nice bourbon. Ginger beer. Maple syrup. Let's go. Let's make this. I'm gonna move this over here. Get yourself your shaker. We are gonna do 2 ounces of good bourbon. There we go. We are gonna do 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. There we go. Last but not least, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of ginger beer. Alright, so that's 2 ounces of bourbon, 1/2 ounce of maple syrup, 1/2 ounce of ginger beer, another 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Boom. Friday night cocktails. Give that a swish, mix it up real good. Of course, we make a mess. It's Friday night cocktails. Hope your week went good. Subscribe, like, share. Let's talk. Alright. That's nicely shaken. Strain that into our glass. I will leave a little bit of room on there. Top it up with some ginger beer. I love it. Then get yourself some lime. Just slice out. Just slice out. That makes things look pretty. Bingo. Noreaster. Bourbon, maple syrup, ginger beer, fresh lime juice. Let's see how we did. Cheers. That is good. Friday Night Cocktails, Just Cook DC. Thank you so much for your time. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good.